Okay, hey, so this is the instructional video for using the Gourmet Grater by Pacalazzo Pottery. Uh, Everything here is fully functional. They have, you have your grater and it has those little teeth. So how do you use it? This is how we use it. So let's say you want to do cheese. You can pass that around great as you go. You can do nutmeg, jalapeno, and you can even do garlic. And garlic, let's peel the garlic first. So this is a garlic peeler. Peel the garlic just like this. Of course, that's gonna change the way you do garlic in your kitchen. Peels the garlic. Instead of whacking, chopping, or using a press, what you want to do is you want to wet the plate. You want to do that right on the plate. Very easy to do. Let the grater do the work. When you get to that nub, you're done. There's no holes in the bottom, so how do you get it out? My favorite way: olive oil, bottle of wine, or you can use a brush. Any brush will work to brush that out, and you'll see it comes out super fine. Chefs call that a paste. I call that garlic butter without the butter. That's going to melt and infuse into whatever you put it in, sauces, marinades. You get more of the flavor. Ginger, I always get asked, does it do ginger? And if it does ginger, do you need to peel the ginger? You don't, as long as you cut the ginger to start it, and you'll see all the fibers are going to stay right here. The skin stays there too, and you have all of that nice juice. You have the ginger essence. You can put that into your drinks. Hot water gets you ginger tea. Homemade ginger ale recipes are on the website. Maintenance, once you're done using it, wash it with soap and water, or just throw it in the dishwasher. It's also oven proof and microwave safe. They do make great gifts. If you like your garlic press, which some people do, that's a pain in the neck to use, that's okay. Don't forget, use it for other things like cheese. That's a lot more fun passing that around than passing something like that around. Have fun.